2.5 pala ito, mami. Ano ba ang lapad niyan?
Picture.
Yung lapad ba ng kwan? 2 lang pala. Oo.
So, mas malapad yun.
Yeah.
Maganda rin. Pag malapad. At least, these are the two.
Yeah. Ito kasi 2.5 oh.
Ay, yung dito.
Mas malapad.
2.5 din.
2.
Ah, so dapat 2. Pare-pareho.
Para pareho. 2 na.
This
2
is
yata
two.
yung din natin natin.
Okay lang kung mag 2.5 or 2 kasi pare-pareho.
Honestly, this looks like my blood.
Side.
Sayon.
Sayun. Don't play there.
This one. It doesn't have like the little bridges.
Yeah, mas pino ito kaysa binigay siguro natin dati.
The one I had it with the big wood.
Sayun.
Parang ano yun, paper lang. No, sa kwarto.
Kwarto natin.
Hindi makapal yun. It's heavy.
Hi guys. Today we're in Home Depot and then we buy plants and I buy lollipop. It is raining. It's been raining in Manila, baby.
It's raining, guys. It's raining in Calgary again.
In Manila.
Yeah, and pauwi na kami. Nakabili na kami ng blinds and bulaklak sa Home Depot. Punta na kami ng Hanky sa Korean
Could I
restaurant.
come inside? I never went.
Ha?
Could I come inside? I never went.
Raining lang nga. Bibili daw pagkain sa Ate Lay.
And me.
Then uwi na kami.
Mommy, also me.
Ha? Yeah, baby Zion. So yung bulaklak dyan sa likod, ang ganda niyan, daming bulaklak na white. Snowball yan, no? Yung tawag.
I wanted to go to Yum Yum Chicken, but it's like all the way down.
It's raining, so after ng Yankee, uwi na kami at magpahinga si Daddy. May pasok na bukas din at ako.
What about dollar store?
As a baby sign my
I need a
school.
hook. Oh, patabi lang naman yun ng hangin.
Oh, tsaka yung sa behind the door niya na, ay, nangingidlat, grabe.
I love that.
Saan ba yung
Dun sa ano, natanggal daw yung...
dito na tayo daan?
Oo. Sa 17, yung hanky. Ano, natanggal yung ano niya dun sa likod ng pinto, yung sabitan. Kabili din ako ng plastic.
One piece broke. The rest of
Plastic
it is
pala.
fine.
Yung patong. Pati yung bulaklak, dyan muna. No? Ha? Sige, baka mag-heal.
To carry me.
Doon muna yung bulaklak, umuulan talaga as in. Doon muna yung bulaklak sa loob ng garage. Bukas namin siguro itanim, busy. Bahay na kami, si Sai kumakain ng corn dog. Bumili sila sa Hanky. Wow! Si Ate Lay spicy bit. Anghang. Yan yung dinner nila guys, amin munggo. Nagluto ako kanina ng munggo at piniritong galunggong.
So tasty.
Ito yung aming piniritong galunggong yan guys. Sarap, partner sa munggo. Si Daddy. Ha?
Ano ang hang?
Oo, anghang.
Ma,
Yeah.
remember that store where we got that long potato tin?
Oh yeah, supposed to be, but then umulan.
Yeah.
So,
I wanted to buy it.
next time.
Yay! That's my favorite.
Yeah, I know. Daddy, busy sa paglalagay ng blinds sa pagpalit. Yay! I'm so happy! Napalitan na yung blinds dito sa kitchen. Kasi sira na, putol-putol na yan. Oh. 7 years na rin ito sa amin eh.
Ever since we moved in.
Yeah. Mag-8 years na nga. So, pinalitan namin siya ng wood blinds. Galing talaga ni Daddy.
This
Oh.
one is wood, that one's plastic.
Yes, that
Where are
one
we
is...
gonna put it?
Huh?
Where are
In
we-
the garage.
Why?
Because it's old.
Oh. I get it now. I get it.
Yeah.
Best day ever.
Why?
I like the hanky.
The hanky. Did
Mommy.
you say thank you to ate?
Thank you, Ate. Love you.
That's sweet.
Tracy,
Nakaligo na si
Can I keep the
Sayon.
box?
Fresh na?
could I keep the box?
Hmm?
I need.
No, no, no. That's sharp. Kaligo na si Sayon. Si Daddy, almost done na dito sa blinds. Isa na lang. Nice na. Mas malinis tingnan and mas bright. Ito na lang guys. Yung papalitan. It's very nice. Turn na dun sa aming living room. The living room is parehas lang din. Pinalitan din namin to. Medyo matagal na ang pinalitan to. Mas malapad siya. Tsaka wood blinds. So parehas na sila doon sa kitchen. I like it. Thank you, Dad.
Tracy,
Nakaligo na
Could
si
I keep the
Sayon.
box?
Fresh na?
could I keep the box?
Hmm?
I need.
No, no, no. That's sharp. Kaligo na si Sayon. Si Daddy, almost done na dito sa blinds. Isa na lang. Nice na. Mas malinis tingnan and mas bright. Ito na lang guys. Yung papalitan. It's very nice. Turn na dun sa aming living room. The living room is parehas lang din. Pinalitan din namin to. Medyo matagal na ang pinalitan to. Mas malapad siya. Tsaka wood blinds. So parehas na sila doon sa kitchen. I like it. Thank you, Dad. I'm happy. Mas malinis siya tingnan, no? Kasi mas malaki yung agwat, yung gap niya. So, mas malinis siya, mas maliwanag. Hmm? Mag-paint ulit. All done. Pero yung dito, guys, masikip na konti. Konting-konti. Ganyan lang. Kaya hindi pumapasok yung saan niya. Yung sa baba. Yung blind siya pumapasok pero yung dun sa baba ayaw. So, bawasan na lang.
Sakto lang yun. Pero ang may cup mo sa dulo.
Oo, kaya ano. All done. Nice. And clean na. Mas malinis siya tingnan. At mas bright. Tama pala yung sukat mo talaga, Dad, no? Kasi nga yung cup, no?
Hindi naman ito pinutulan eh.
Kaya nga. Kaya nga, tama yung sukat mo na puputulan talaga siya. I love it. Thank you, Dad. So guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. And we are getting ready for church.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Zion is ready.
Good morning. Good morning.
Naka-base na si Zion. Poging-pogi na ang baby namin.
No.
Ang babing makulit. So, ready na kami for church, guys. Sinaantay na lang si Daddy. Dabong is ready na din. Ate ay nagre-ready. Nagre-makeup. So, ako almost done.
Oh.
Almost done na tayo. So, this is our Sabbath dress. Today, nabili ko tong wide leg pants doon sa thrift store for $8. $8 lang to, guys. And then, itong top, $6. Ang cute nito. Yung sa dito. Hindi nakakita. May tahiin dyan. And I have blue coat din. Si Zion ready na rin.
Hello.
Si Daddy almost.
Okay.
So this is the final look. This is our final look.
And I have my
Naomi. Tagal ni Daddy. Oh, ganyan ka. Ito yung outfit namin today for Sabbath. Lahat to, guys. Thrift store from head to foot. Yung sa akin. So, it cost only less than $20. Atelier. Naka-long dress. Maxi dress. And may shade. Ang ganda kay Atelier yan. Hiniram ko.
I was looking for that.
Alis ka na.
Did I put it in the car?
No. Alis ka
I swear I
na.
put it in the car. Tapos nung I was about to use it yesterday, sana yun?
Let's go!
Did you lock it?
Dabong is ready. O, diba? Naka-block. And, uy, yung bag. Iniwan niya yung bag. Sa your bag! Kunin mo na lang, be. Everybody's ready for church. Let's go. The roof is open because it's summer na.
Hindi, nakalimutan ko kasi yung buti sa suloob.
Bumaho. Let's go na. Sa your bag. Oh, it's so heavy. Why?
Because I put it.
Yeah, you can spray. Maamoy yung car. Naiwan Daddy yung kalakal. Hi guys! Hi people! Hi Zion!
Hello.
Why are you so pogi? Ate, may curlers pa.
Stop.
Why is so pocket?
Yeah.
Because you change.
Oh, because mommy is pretty. Right? And daddy is
Tingay
handsome.
niya ng wind sa audio.
I know, right? Bukas yung roof kaya maingay. Oh, maingay tayo guys. Binuksan kasi mabaho ang car. Naiwan ang kalakal.
Ito mahulog ito.
Wow, ang ganda. So clear ang sky. Sobrang liwanag ang paligid. Yeah. Maganda. Maganda naman. Hi guys! Tapos na yung church namin. Papunta kami ng park at kami ay magpipictorial. Meron na doon parang cherry blossom. Pero, hindi yung cherry blossom, di ba? Apple, crab apple na mga trees na nagbubuo. So, pauwi na kami after ng park. Tingnan na namin doon. Baka meron pa kasi umulan. So, hopefully may mga bulaklak pa. Daming tao. Ay, ang cute. Wow. Lahaman, cookies and cream. Ang cute, oh. Raspberry.
There's ham and egg. I
No,
want.
no.
Wow.
Ham and egg is pork.
What about cheese?
Ha? Ham and cheese. All ham is pork lang ga. Ito, parang masarap.
It's pork now.
Ha? Yeah, it's pork. If it is ham, it's pork.
Tell them.
Bili kayo?
Mommy,
Ito. Just one lang. Dali. Para matry nyo lang.
I wanna get
Which one?
ham cheese.
No, ham and cheese is pork, right? Pork. The ham and cheese?
It's pork,
Is it pork? Pork, sayon. All ham. So, ano bibilin mo ga? Cookies and cream?
I wanna get cookies.
Dark chocolate almond. Oh, parang masarap to.
I want ice cream.
What do you want, Sai?
Ice cream.
Ay, wag na ito.
Which one?
Wala dito yung ice cream. Sa iba tayo. Ikaw, be? Bili ka, be. Para kung hindi naman nakakahiya. Ha? Ikaw? Iya, cookies and cream? Or, duno? Ito. Ha?
Ikong trip yung dyan. Pero para sa...
Alin?
Ano ba dyan? What do you
Or
think?
matcha roll?
You want a matcha roll cake?
Yeah, try mo daw. Parang ang sarap. Daming tao. So yan guys, yung pinipilahang pastries dito. Bumili kami ng matcha roll. Yeah, $5. Worth it naman yung $5 kasi yung box. Shalan.
2.5, that's zoomed in. It's 0.50.
Bumili kami ng ano. Bili kami ng ice cream dito sa Village Ice Cream. Kasi mainit ang panahon. Green tea, masarap.
Mommy, there's dogs.
Ano masarap?
I'm gonna get the salty now.
I'm
Salted
gonna get
caramel,
cookie and the cream.
maple.
I'm gonna get cookie and
Yeah,
cream.
yeah.
Okay.
North, wait. So guys, kumain na kami ng ice cream. Ngayon ako nag-vlog. Ubus na yung
What do
ice
I
cream.
replace, guys?
Nakuha ko yung, masarap yung coconut nila. Kay Baby Alea. Salted caramel. Kay Baby Sign vanilla.
Ang dami pa lang ng 2 scoop. Scoop pa ako ng cotton lang. Oh my God.
Mom,
Ayaw kasi, sabi ko 1 scoop lang sa'yo eh.
where's Daddy?
Kasi kayo mag-share kami daddy. Hindi mo na ma-share sa amin kasi ayoko. It's so salty yung salted caramel. Salty yung salted caramel. As in salted talaga.
Going.
Parang salted eh. Kaya nga.
Where's that going?
Nagtapon ng ano ka.
Oh,
Yung frozen mo. Para meron ka pa
Wait,
bukas.
I wanna go.
Tapos bumili pa siyang pastry.
I know, that's why I want to save it because I want to try that one.
Hindi, frozen mo.
I'm gonna save my.
Si Dabong hindi makakain ng ice cream kasi may ubo. Matcha, ano yan? Matcha, ano yung binili mo?
Voice reveal matcha roll cake.
Mommy.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, pauwi na kami and we're gonna rest after nito kasi Sabado.
Let's go!
Nag-dessert lang kami dito sa Village Ice Cream, dito sa Bridgeland. Daming tao. Maganda panahon kasi.
Sige na.
So, let's go na, Daddy. Bye.
Antayin ko lang yung lalaki. O lumipat dito.
Tara.
Sinabihan ko na.
Babush.
Tungtak po lang sa amin. Magkita.
So aesthetic. Ano yan? Cafe?
Sabi dito.
Restaurant, it's patio
Mga
season.
local,
Yeah, local ano yan.
Patio
business nila.
season.
What burger?
Maganda sa
Chickeny menu. Maganda dito sa Bridgeland. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh.
Kung mapicturean yung babae doon, naikli ng suot mo.
Mommy,
Saan?
Labas yung...
there's a wiener dog.
Ha?
There's a wiener dog.
Yeah.
How do you know it's a wiener dog?
I know.
And then, diretso pa yung ano, marami pang construction.
It's nice and like
Oh, parang ginawa na nila, parang ginaya na nila yung downtown.
That's nice.
Dami ng ano, condo, apartment
Inglewood or
na ano,
Kensington ng mga restaurant pag
na bago. Look at that, oh. Vet clinic.
What the?
Yan dyan o, sa unahan may made by Marcos. Sa amin din dati yan.
Ito, ano din siya. Ice cream store din siya. Ang dami
Mga bahay
kumakain.
lang, no? Maliit lang.
Yeah,
My
cute.
friends and I went there.
Masarap din daw dyan.
Mga local store dito. Ito.
Tingnan nyo guys.
Taas na yun. May magandang bahay doon.
Elevated dito. Mas maganda. Para siyang sa US. Sa mga, ano, sa mga Beverly Hills.
Girl, that's not Beverly Hills. What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Mommy, they
Eh,
should
dito yung mga bahay
Maybe
doon.
San Francisco, but not
Mommy,
Beverly
they
Hills.
should put Hollywood sign.
Yeah, Hollywood
Hills
sign.
are like
Ganda, oh.
mansions.
The bridge,
Pero the, ano, the vibes.
No, it's not the vibes.
Oo, wala mang yan.
Yes.
San Francisco pa siguro, but
Ang ganda ng place dito.
Ano para tayo sa Inglewood?
where?
Bakit may internet?
So, dadaan lang.
I like
Oh,
it.
tara.
Ito, Bridgeland.
Dito kami guys sa Calgary Zoo. Ayun.
Okay, let's go open.
Hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan sa Calgary Zoo.
Ever?
Ever and ever.
Dapat mag-date kayo dad yung mami sa Calgary.
What? Pakita na yung mga relatives, Chess.
Kita mo mga kalahi
Yung mga
dyan.
relatives sa Calgary Zoo magdi-date. Ano pa dad? I-date chip ha. Date mo ako sa Calgary Zoo.
High school.
To the Calgary
Ano,
Zoo
grade
for your
6?
first
I-date sa ano, Calgary
date.
Zoo.
Kinda crazy.
I wanna go to Calgary Zoo.
We went there already.
No, I didn't saw all of the animals, Dad.
Oh, because they don't like you.
Aww.
Ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Inglewood. Inglewood na ba to, Daddy?
No.
Hindi pa.
Dyan sa...
Calgary Zoo. So from Bridgeland, dumaan kami ng Calgary Zoo. Papunta kami ng Inglewood. After namin kumain ng
It's actually
ice
pretty
cream.
nice here for zoo lights. Kind of.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Himala, nasa mood si Daddy mag ano ngayon, drive around the city.
Sawa lang siya kung mag-drive sa city.
Akala ko sawa na ako matulog. Tulog is life yun si Daddy. Tulog is life. Eat or sleep?
Sabi
Sleep.
kasi ng doktor, kailangan maka 8 hours a day.
Sleep or trip? Sleep.
Kakaingit nga si Ate Lee 16 hours ang tulog. Share ka naman dyan.
Sana
I
all.
sleep at 3 a.m. So,
Sana all.
Share ka naman dyan.
first of all, I sleep at 3 a.m. every day.
Oh,
I'm
ito may
watching
balloons.
K-dramas.
May sale ng mga sasakyan.
Bili tayong sasakyan.
Pino.
So dito na
Hindi,
tayo.
yung mura yan, Lay. Yung sakyan na ganyan, no?
Dito na kami sa
Mga
Inglewood.
Elantra, mga ganyan.
Inglewood na tayo, Daddy ba?
Yeah, maganda yung maganda picture niya ng mga
Daddy.
Hyundai.
Oh, Inglewood na tayo. Hyundai is
Yan, oh.
Japan.
Hindi, Taiwan ba yun?
Inglewood. Dami nag-walk around. Kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Naka-heels kasi tayo eh. From church kasi kami guys. So naka-heels kami.
Ano?
Hindi kami makapag-walking.
Pag summer.
Yeah, I like commute.
Papuntang school. Kaso,
Ikaw pa.
girl, the transit to MRU is so
Exciting kayo
inaccessible.
mag-commute.
Yung transit, yung transit
Yung nakipaghabulan
MRU,
ka sa ano,
hindi
sa
siya,
bus.
Katabi mo, lasing.
Oo, exciting kaya. Tapos anto katulog muna ako, idlip.
Tabihan ka ng homeless.
Tapos pag lumagpas, balik na naman. Hay, lumagpas ako tapos nagba-vlog ka. The best. Tingnan mo, street food.
Hindi, it's
Kain
patio
sila.
season. That's
Bilang banog
Kaya
sila
nga,
na ano.
pinasosyal ang patio season.
because they're
Pero
sitting
street
at a
food.
patio.
Mommy, I have to
May mga patio pa kayong nalalaman. Street food lang yan sa atin.
Balkon lang yan sa labas ng
Pero, traffic. Yes lang ga.
True.
So traffic, ha?
to pee.
Ay, uwi na tayo.
But we're far.
Benta ka tayo dito ng street food, no? May pwesto ka, tapos parang street food. Ano? Saw. Ganyan.
Hindi yung cart na yan.
Yung nakabalot na yung ano, yung hindi, may pwesto ka talaga. Maganda kayo.
Stella. Ito.
Oh, I can't hold.
Tapos yung vibes mo is parang street food.
Mommy, I can't hold my pee.
Where you gonna pee here? Wow, picture taken, dalawa, Pinay. Ay, maganda pa dun yung ano. Baka meron pa dun. Di lang tayo pumasok kanina sa park. Wala lang kasing parking.
Weekends.
Daddy.
So, pauwi na kami.
Mag-pay ka sa'yo?
Yeah.
Doon na lang sa ano, sa park niya. Park sa
That's
Basta.
We're home! And si Ate Lee mag-taste test na matcha roll. Ayan yung ano, $5. How much? $5.50?
Yeah.
Try it.
It's like a sponge cake na ano. Oh, girl, my bad.
Let me try.
Investment solutions from Canada Life.
First bite me.
combed through every last piece of evidence.
Masarap.
We made the final impossible.
Ordinary.
I mean, it's matcha.
Matamis? Matamis? Kaya mo, Ging. Malasahan mo talaga yung matcha. Pero yung unang bite mo, matamis. Matamis para sa akin, ah. Wow, you changed. Very good, Saysay. Let me see. Wow, very good. So, bahay na kami, Daddy. Bahay na. All of us sa bahay na.
Usually, I don't really like matcha pastries, but this is good.
Matamis? Matamis, Dad?
what does that mean? Sour?
O, dumating na yung uniform nila sa Nepomuceno. Sa volleyball, on August, meron kaming maganitela. Maganda. Nepomuceno 10. Sa'yo, ba wala?
First batch. Yung Mendoza, second batch yun. That's why I'm wondering, maybe it's a different color kasi nga, it's different, ano. Hindi yun yung lighting, it's dark in both pictures. Pero yung Mendoza blue.
Nakulangan na sa 20.
Oh.